Oh my gosh, rainbow right there. Rainbow, you guys. Let me just... Hey Princess Squad, it's T
and Sparkles,
and today we're going to show you how to make your very own fidget DIY squishy.
Yes, and we're going to be using the Doctor Squish Method. I actually saw her TikTok and I was actually very inspired, and I'm dying to try this.
Yep, so I'm going to be making a rainbow squishy.
And I'm gonna be doing like a hot Cheeto. I felt like it's, you know, popping.
Yep, so I'm super excited to try these, but the problem is we're kind of missing some stuff.
Just a few.
Just a few. So I'm gonna make a rainbow one. So I think I'm missing like a yellow slime, so I'm gonna make my own yellow slime.
And me, I have orange.
You just have orange.
So I'm gonna be doing like, making like red and yellow.
Yeah. So to make that, all you're going to need is glue.
And it's like a solution.
It's like borax and water.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're also going to need a bowl and a spatula.
And we can't forget about the food coloring.
Yep, because we need the red and the yellow, like we said, or you can use paint. All right, so I'm gonna start off by, I'm gonna make yellow, so I can make yellow for the both of us.
Oh, okay.
So all you need to do is make red.
Get my red.
So we're just gonna pour some glue in our bowl. I'm gonna do a good amount because I need to make some for her and myself, okay? And there you go.
Oh.
Red for you. Should be good, right? I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. And go ahead and pour in the activator. Wait, the color of the activator?
I don't think it would really matter, right?
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just put a few drops. I'm scared, you know, sometimes red comes out very, very dark. You just never know.
Or it doesn't come out dark, I don't know.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna start with one drop.
So we're gonna go yellow. And then add my activator.
I always go like a little bit easy on my activator.
Yeah, I like to add a little bit at a time and then mix and then add more. So I'm gonna do this far away from myself because I just don't want to get it on my shirt.
Nice.
And we'll use our hands and get in here in just a little bit once like it's not as gooey.
Yeah.
I feel like. Because you definitely need to make slime. I feel like you need to use your hands and get in there and knead it. So let's just mix. Okay, you guys, I think it's good. I'm gonna put my hand in here. I feel like this is like a mac and cheese color. I don't know.
It looks nice and fluffy too.
Yeah.
Mine, I'm scared to put my fingers in this.
I know, it's like really messy.
Ooh, it is slimy. I guess that's why it's called slime, right?
Yep. Oh, I could hear it. I love this noise.
Oh, I may need more activator.
I don't have hands to help you.
It's okay.
Oh my goodness, you guys. This reminds me of nacho cheese. That looks good too. Ah, we made some good slime. Yes.
Cool.
So satisfying. Okay, so I made enough for her and myself. And then we have all the colors of the rainbow right here, including the yellow. And then she has all her colors over there, including the yellow. All right, you wanna go first?
Yes, I'm nervous.
You're nervous. Okay, so first we gotta load this thing up with the balloon. So a clear balloon is what we need. Uh-oh. And let me just put that in. I think I need some help.
Let me just help you. I don't even know if I can do this. Oh, okay.
I think we're good, right? Should I do more? Okay, I think it's okay. I'm scared.
Oh man.
Okay. I'm gonna leave it like that, you guys. Okay, time to load it up.
Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of orange in here. I don't wanna put all, whoa. So let's just do like half.
Add the glitter. Add some of these little, what is this called? Like foam balls. Add some more orange. And then add more glitter. Can't have too much glitter. And then I guess more of this red. And top it with a little bit more yellow. Can you take it out? Gotta do it fast. All right, I'm just making sure it doesn't lose its thing. That's why I keep pumping it. Ah, it's coming out, it's coming out. Okay, okay, we're gonna lift. Teamwork, teamwork.
Teamwork, baby.
Teamwork. Oh my goodness. Okay, that looks kind of cool. We just gotta tie it down.
Does. Okay.
You got it? I think. We need Dr. Squish. We got it.
Oh my goodness, you guys.
Oh my goodness. Mix it up, mix it up. I'm excited. This is so cool. It looks like a bag of hot Cheetos. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah. But I think it was like a good idea that we kind of like put like layers of things in instead of just like all red, all yellow, all orange, because it'll end up kind of being how it is when you stick it in there. Oh my goodness. I'm excited to make my rainbow one. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me see. Feel it. Oh, look at this, you guys. So cool.
So
and
satisfying
and squishy. Squish, squish. Love it. Okay, time to make the rainbow one, you guys. All right, we have to pump this up. Next, I got my red here. Okay, let's see if I can put it in. So slimy! Next up is the orange. Next is my homemade yellow. Next up is the green. Going to add some glitter just in the middle of that. Blues next. Add some of these mixed in. And last but not least, the purple. Next, I'm going to add some Mylar just to make it glittery. I feel like I made a mess.
Just a little bit.
All right, this is when we need your help. All right, so we're gonna take this off first. Is that what it was? Or twist it?
Doctor Squish! I did a little bit of both. Okay, I don't know.
Okay, go ahead, turn it. Okay. Turn it, take this band off. We gotta hurry because it like comes straight up. All right, lift.
Lift, lift, lift.
Teamwork. Got it?
Got
And
it.
then tie it. Oh my goodness. I'm loving it.
Let me tie this for you.
Yes, please. Made a mess, but I'm so excited right now, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Rainbow right there. Rainbow, you guys. Let me just squish it a little bit. I am in love.
So awesome.
Like even all the fillings at the top, like with the Mylar and the glitter and the foam beads. Oh my god.
You don't even have to go hunt for fidget toys. You can just
Make
make
your own! Exactly.
This is
my
so
goodness.
cool.
I am like in love, you guys. Tell me what you guys think of this rainbow one right here with all the colors in there. It's so soft and squishy.
Or this hot Cheeto inspired one.
Let us know which one you like more or which other one you want us to try to make.
For sure.
Because I can make these all day long because they're just so
So cool.
Squishy.
I think we got it down.
I think we got it down. Dr. Squish would be so proud. So thank you, Dr. Squish, for showing us how to make this amazing DIY fidget squishy. You guys, leave a comment and let us know what other kind of squishy you would like us to make, because we would love to make more.
Yes, like other inspired squishies.
Exactly. Okay, you guys, that's the end of today's video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Leave us a comment, and don't forget to follow us on our TikTok and Instagram at
PrincessSquad.official.
We'll have more squishies and more videos on there, so make sure you follow that. Also, don't forget to dream big,
Have fun
and be kind. Bye!